Hey everyone, this is your coach of Sophia Fx, okay? So I'm gonna talk to you quickly about why many traders blow their accounts, okay? The reasons why you will see many traders blowing their accounts. Now I have been in this industry for almost now 7+ years, and then I was really thinking, oh, why do many traders blow their accounts? And through my experience, I've realized that many of the traders are blowing accounts because of small things, not even big things. Not most of them are not really because they are not good traders. Okay, it's not simply because they're not good traders, but it's actually because they are using this, or they are doing these things that are causing their downfall. Number one, the first thing that affects a trader's account, or that helps you blow your account, number one, is over leveraging. Okay, so many of you are over leveraging your accounts, and you don't really know that you are wasting your trading account through leverage, meaning you're opening big lot sizes on a small account, and then one drawdown is gonna harm you, or you will see margin calls, and then the trade will eventually go your direction. One of the other things also that affect or help you blow your account, one of them is actually trading with small accounts without skill. All right, many people don't have the skill, because when you're trading a small account, you actually need accuracy. You need to be very accurate in your trading. Okay, you cannot just open one lot size with a $100 account and expect your account to be blown. Anything can happen anytime. Okay, so it's not advisable. If your account is below $100, why are you not opening 0.01, 0.02? And if you know what you're doing, you can open 50 cents, right? And that also comes with a lot of skill. You need to know what you're doing for you to open 50 cents, right? So there has been trades that I took. I was trading 170 something account. I'll put it here in this corner, 170 something account, and I was actually risking and opening 0.50 lot sizes. And with those 0.50 lot sizes, I made a lot of money, right? I think I made I took that account from 100 to from 100 to 600 or something like that, 600, 700 in a day. Okay, in a day, and that is in pounds, so which means I made about 7k 8k in a day, which is not that bad from $100 account, right? £100 account. Now, because I know what I'm doing, and number two, I know that I have extra cash laying somewhere else that I can risk. Okay, the other reason why many people blow their accounts is because they are trading their last money, the last money they have to want to gamble on the markets. Okay, you are trading your last money and thinking that if you trade your last money and now you're going to flip this $100 account into 1 million, or $100 account into 10,000, and that's your last money. So if it's your last money, it's going to be very difficult for you to double that account and to make money from it, because your psychology is not right. But if you have, let's say, 10,000 in your bank account, and then you just take $1,000 and you are trading with that $1,000, right? If you have 1,000 and you're putting in $100 and you're trading $100 with that, so even if you blow, you need to blow 10 times in a week, which is very impossible while you have skill. If you have skill, it's very difficult for you to blow your account in that manner. The other reason also why many traders blow their accounts is because many of the traders don't know what they're doing, like nothing. So meaning that they don't have the skill, they don't have data, they have nothing. They back tested nothing, they worked on nothing, their strategy was not tested through trial and error. They're just entering in the market hoping that they're going to make money today, hoping that this thing is gonna, if they think that they have drawn some lines, support and resistance, then they think that they are going to be very successful. Unfortunately, it's not like that. The market is not like that. It will not work like that, and it will never work like that for you. One of the other reasons also why many traders blow their accounts is because of lack of stop loss. They don't use stop losses. They don't put stop losses. They don't have take profit areas. That's why you will see greed will always kick in. When the trade is going their direction, they get so excited saying, I think it's gonna go higher, I think it's gonna go here. And they don't take partials. So meaning that when your trade has developed, you don't even know when to take out partials. You don't have a plan, right? That is also one of the reasons. You don't have a plan, you don't have a notebook. Like for me, example, I have a few notebooks. One of them is this one that I'm using, a normal notepad that you see right here. Okay, normal notepad that I'm using, where I'm writing down my trading plan. And then I also have a notebook here whereby I am writing my goals, my back testing goals. So you see, every time, even at this level, right? You see here, I wrote down a few things, that I'm gonna back test and stuff. And then I also have my trading plan written down right here on this paper, right? Written down right here. So at this level, I still have rules, I still have papers that I'm writing down. Many people do not have structure. They don't sit down, they don't plan their trade, they don't know what they're trading. One of the other reasons also why people blow accounts is because they trade pairs they don't know. Meaning you are not familiar with the pair, you don't know in what session the pair moves, you don't know in what how the pair moves in certain sessions. Maybe Asia the pair moves because it's a JPY pair. That's why many JPY pairs move in the Asian session, and then in the London session it will just consolidate or move sideways, right? That's information you need to know by studying the pair. Maybe, like for example, gold, mostly gold and Nasdaq, they mostly move in the New York session, yet you're trading it in the London session or in the Asian session. That's why you're blowing your account. Maybe the reason why you blew your account or you blew your 5,000 or your 3,000 is because you entered the trade in Asia. How can you trade Euro USD in Asia? There is a 70% chance that you're gonna lose your money, or that your spreads, brokers might use those because it's actually not trading hour. So if it is not a trading hour of the so the broker can increase the spreads and then take you out, manipulate while you're sleeping, and then you see your account was blown. Okay, because and there's nothing you do about it, because you were trading at hours where there's no volume, where there is no volume in the market for the market to be able to help you. I know I'm making the video a bit longer, but the other reason why many traders blow their account is because, I want to repeat this one again, trading plan. No trading plan. You don't know when you are going to close your account. You don't know when you're going to open your account. You don't know how to, when trade is in a loss, you don't know when to get out, because there are some losses that you cannot hold until the stop loss. You must be able to see that this trade is going wrong. Let me just close it. It's already like it's a no deal. And then there are those traders that know, even if they are in a loss, and say, I'm willing to take a risk on this one because I think it might still go. Not because of greed, not because of whatever, but because of skill. That's what you get by skill, understanding when you are trading. So me, I have a history, I have a record in trading. So if you want to talk about trading, there is no one else but me. You see, this is not talk, okay? So it's very important that you study the market, know the market, study the craft, and do not rush. The market is going to be there, it was there, and it will always be there. One thing you think is that every time you blow an account, then you think you are getting closer to making money. No, you are becoming dumb and dumb every time, and you are going to blow your account as long as you live. The best thing that you have to do right now is invest in knowledge, number one. Number two, what you must do is to spend time with the charts. Number three, trade money you cannot lose, meaning put like $100, $100 US, $200 US, $500 US, $600 US, even $1,000 if you can afford. Money that you can easily lose, and practice with that money. I don't really believe in trading demo, because if you trade demo, there's no emotion attached, and then you make money in the demo, and then in real life you are losing because your emotions, there is some psychological parts that are not right yet in your trading career, and that's why you're blowing. Okay, so those can be one of the reasons why you might be blowing. Okay, that's why I want you to trade with a live account, a small live account that you can handle. Okay, if it's not convenient for you to trade in US dollars, get a ZAR account. There are brokers that are allowing that, right? And the best broker that I will tell you to use is my broker. All right, just click in the link description that is in the description. That's the best broker. Okay, so guys, I want you to take even a year, focus on this craft, right? Don't think about money. Focus on this craft. It took me 5 years to be profitable. Why? I was always on YouTube looking for videos. I was always changing strategies. I was always trying to be this person. I was trying to be this trader. I never took time to find out who I am in the market, what I'm looking for in the market, right? There are different aims why people trade, and you can only find that by spending time with the market by yourself, understanding the market by yourself, studying the instrument that you want to trade by yourself, and repeating what you learned over the at least 6 to 12 to 1 or 2 years. So I also do provide a mentorship. If you want to learn from me, you know, you can just go into my DM and you can ask me, right? Or you can contact me, whatever way you find, whether on Instagram, whether on my email, whether on my phone number. If you have my phone number, just make sure it's not a scam, because someone might scam you. Okay, yeah, but find me and I will help you, right? I do one-on-ones, and I also have a mentorship, which is Sophia Fx, which is the best mentorship that you can ever find. If people don't know about us, we are the most dangerous traders ever. Like, listen, we're talking about taking $100 to 1,000, taking from. I'm not talking about things that you dream of. I'm talking about reality. But this comes with a lot of hard work and a lot of skill. All right, a lot of hard work, a lot of skill. Why must you have a mentor? Mentor helps you, you know, go through stages that you're not supposed to. You see, I learned the hard way. I never had a mentor. I had to go through all those things, all the hurdles, all those things. But then when you have a mentor, you don't need to go through all that stuff. You don't need to go through all that stuff. So my plan for you is that you become the best trader, whether it takes you 6 months, 5 months, 1 month, 12 months, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. As long as you are hardworking and you have the work ethic, I think that you can make it. So guys, this is the video. I hope you found yourself in most of the points that I was mentioning. If you did not find yourself, you are the best trader ever, and I hope to see you. So guys, if you like this video, come back to me, tell me what you learned from the video, and tell me what you want me to talk about next. Hope you guys enjoyed.